Welcome back to UX Chat. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of emotionally intelligent AI and exploring how UX writing plays a crucial role in making technology more human. Hey everyone, it's Lexi here, and today we're joined by Bea, Arlo, and Kevin to discuss how UX writing can bring a human touch to the increasingly sophisticated world of artificial intelligence.
Hi everyone!
Excited to be here.
Let's get started.
Imagine a world where your AI assistant not only understands your requests, but also senses your frustration and offers a comforting response. Or a chatbot that can detect your mood and adjust its tone accordingly, perhaps even cracking a joke if you seem a bit down. That's the power of emotionally intelligent AI. But how do we get AI to understand and respond to our emotions? That's where UX writers come in.
Absolutely. UX writers can make AI devices emotionally intelligent and humanize them. UX writers bridge the gap between humans and machines. They craft words that make AI feel more human and more relatable.
It's about more than just providing information. It's about creating meaningful connections, building trust, and even eliciting emotions in the user.
Imagine ordering food online. A traditional chatbot might simply ask, "What would you like to order?" But an emotionally intelligent AI trained by UX writers might say, "What sounds delicious today? Would you love to explore new, yummy delicacies or regular known food?" This simple phrase adds a touch of personality and makes the interaction more engaging.
Host laughs. That's a great example, Kevin. It shows how subtle changes to words can have a significant impact. Let's break it down. How exactly do UX writers teach AI about emotions?
UX writers design conversational flows and encourage users to express emotions.
For example, instead of just asking, "How can I help you?" the AI might ask, "What are you trying to accomplish today?" Or, "Is there anything else on your mind?" This encourages the user to share more context and potentially reveal their emotional state.
Scenario-based training is another key strategy. UX writers can collaborate with AI developers to create realistic scenarios that expose the AI to a wide range of human emotions: frustration, joy, confusion, even boredom.
Let's say the AI is helping a user book a flight. If the user encounters an error, the AI could respond with something like, "I apologize for the inconvenience. Let me try searching for flights on a different date. In the meantime, would you like to browse some travel inspiration? Or perhaps you'd like to try a different search criteria." This acknowledges the user's frustration and offers helpful alternatives.
Let's look at some real-world examples of emotionally intelligent AI in action. Replica, for example, uses empathetic language to build a genuine connection with users. It might say things like, "I understand you're feeling down today. Would you like to talk about it?" Or, "It sounds like you're having a tough day. How can I help you relax?"
Wobot, designed for mental health support, offers a safe space for users to share their emotions. It uses language that is both supportive and non-judgmental, encouraging users to open up and explore their feelings.
And Siri, while primarily a voice assistant, also incorporates elements of empathy in its responses. For example, if you ask for directions and get lost, Siri might say, "I'm so sorry. Let me try to find a clearer route. In the meantime, why don't you take a deep breath and relax? I'm here to help."
But with great power comes great responsibility. We need to be mindful of the ethical considerations surrounding emotionally intelligent AI.
We need to ensure that AI systems don't manipulate users or exploit their emotions. For example, we should avoid using AI to create a false sense of urgency or to induce fear.
Also, data privacy is crucial. Users need to feel confident that their information is being used responsibly and ethically.
We also need to be vigilant about bias in AI systems. AI should treat all users fairly and equitably, regardless of their background, identity, or emotional state.
And let's not forget the potential impact on human well-being. Emotionally intelligent AI should be designed to support and enhance human lives, not replace human interaction.
So, what does the future hold for emotionally intelligent AI? The possibilities are endless. Imagine AI that can personalize education, providing tailored learning experiences based on a student's emotional state and learning style.
or AI-powered companions that can provide emotional support and combat loneliness, offering personalized encouragement and companionship.
Imagine a world where AI can help us build stronger relationships, fostering deeper connections and understanding between people.
It's an exciting future, but we need to approach it with caution and a focus on ethical development.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope this discussion has given you a deeper understanding of the role of UX writing in creating emotionally intelligent AI. Subscribe for more insights on UX writing, UX solutions, and innovation. Link to YouTube channel.
Stay curious, stay creative, and stay human. Until next time.
Thanks for watching. You can share your thoughts or leave your questions in the comments section.
Bye.
Check out our YouTube channel for more content.